The following program does not offer personal medical advice. Please consult your doctor before using any treatment or product we cover. Welcome to Go to Health Media with your host, Jonathan Marks. We provide a welcoming environment where experts educate you on important health topics, answer your questions, and provide information from which you can benefit in consultation with your doctor. You can visit and subscribe to the show at gotohealthmedia.com. And now, here is Jonathan Marks. Hey everyone, this is Jonathan Marks from Go to Health Media. Welcome back. We have a great lineup of shows for you with health experts and evidence-based information from around the world. You can subscribe to our shows and catch them all by going to gotohealthmedia.com and clicking subscribe. So on to today's topic. Are you looking for affordable healthcare insurance for 2025? Do you know someone who is? Stay tuned and listen up. We've got an expert with us today who can tell us about an affordable, quality health plan from HealthCare.gov. Open enrollment is the time for people who don't have health insurance to find a plan. Millions of people still lack the peace of mind we get from having health insurance, and this is the time for you to take advantage of the excellent coverage and prices available at healthcare.gov. Select a plan by January 15th for coverage starting February 1st. That's February 1st, so don't miss the deadline, January 15th. Open enrollment is also the time people who are enrolled can change their current health plan and update their application information. Plans change every year, so it's worth reviewing what's available. As a result of the Inflation Reduction Act, the IRA, signed by President Biden in 2022, many customers continue to have access to newly expanded financial assistance through healthcare.gov, which was first made available under the American Rescue Plan enacted by President Biden in 2021 during COVID. These plans provide financial assistance for customers so that nearly everyone who buys their own individual or family policy through a marketplace and is otherwise eligible can receive a tax credit to reduce their premiums through 2025, even if their household income was previously too high. Help is now more available than ever before. You have until January 15th to make changes or select a new plan for coverage starting February 1st. Before we go to our guest, let me ask a couple of questions. Did you know 4 out of 5 customers can find a plan for $10 or less per month with the newly expanded financial assistance? These are quality plans that cover emergency care, prescription drugs, doctor's visits, and more. With the Inflation Reduction Act subsidies, many customers will benefit from lower health care coverage premiums through 2025 on healthcare.gov. With us to talk about this today and help us learn more is Shannon Hills, who is Regional Administrator at the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, that's CMS, located in Dallas, Texas. She has over 25 years' experience managing large-scale health and human services programs at the federal government level and in the nonprofit sector. She holds a bachelor's degree in consumer science from the University of Houston, a master's degree in public administration from American University, and the Distinguished Toastmaster designation from Toastmasters International. Congratulations about that. How are you today, Shannon?
I'm doing well, Jonathan. I'm excited to be here with you.
Good, thank you. So let me ask first, just so we get clear about this, who is healthcare.gov for? Who should come here?
Healthcare.gov is for consumers 18 years of age or older, families with children, individuals who are looking for comprehensive, high-quality health insurance coverage.
Great, good. And so what are the important dates for enrolling in 2025?
The important date is just around the corner, January 15th. That is the deadline to go to healthcare.gov, submit an application to see if you qualify, enroll, select a plan, to ensure that coverage begins February 1st.
Oh, good. So that they don't have to wait too long. It's just it begins February 1st, but you have to enroll by January 15th. What happens if people don't enroll by that date? What do they do next?
If people don't enroll by that date, they may have to wait until the next enrollment period.
And
And
that's
that's a much longer period of time.
got it.
So the enrollment period begins in November each year.
Okay. Good, good. Thank you for clarifying that. So what's new this year? Is there anything new?
So much exciting that's new. Due to a new law, the Inflation Reduction Act, financial help is available to more consumers than ever for to be able to assist in paying their health insurance premiums. And this is for high quality, comprehensive plans. We're talking doctor's visits, prescription drugs, emergency care, and more. What's also new this year is that the website HealthCare.gov has been updated. It's streamlined. Even though it only takes a few minutes to sign up, let's say that someone needs to step away, they don't have to worry that, oh, I have to start all over again.
Hmm.
You sign in, username, password, it saves your place, and you can go back and complete your application when it's convenient for you. And it's also a one-stop shop. There is a vast amount of information right there on the website. Individuals will be able to see the financial savings available to them. They'll be able to shop for various plans, make their enrollment. So it is really the one-stop shop place for high quality health insurance coverage.
Great. And the website we're talking about is healthcare.gov. That's healthcare.gov. So another question, if you received coverage through healthcare.gov last year, should you check again this year?
Absolutely. Every year, health insurance plan options can change. That's why we encourage consumers, even if they love their current plan, still go back online to healthcare.gov. Review your current plan. Shop for other plans that may be available in your area. We know that sometimes it could be that services offered from one plan to the next may change. It could be the providers that are available in network or an individual or family's own healthcare needs may change. That's why it's so important, even if your current plan is working wonderfully, to go back online, review your current coverages, shop for other plan options, select the plan that best meets your individualized needs, and who knows? Maybe you might even be able to save a little bit of money.
Great. So what kind of premium should someone in my area expect to pay? I mean, how much is this going to cost? And if I can't afford it, how do I get help?
We find that 4 out of 5 consumers can find a plan for $10 or less a month. So that's what's really exciting.
Wow.
When an individual goes online to healthcare.gov, they enter their background information, where they live. They will be able to see right there on site if they qualify for financial help and the level of financial help that they qualify for. So they have the information that they need to make a sound decision on the plan that's best for them and the level of financial help that they may qualify for.
Good. And how broad is this coverage? I mean, what kind of coverage do you get? Does it include prescriptions, eyeglasses, dental? Tell us how broad this coverage is.
These are broad plans, doctor's visits, prescription drugs, preventative care, emergency care, and more. So when an individual goes online to healthcare.gov, they will be able to see the full scope of services that are available to them. And so it provides it all right there. So it's very exciting.
Great. So the place we're talking about where you have to go is healthcare.gov, and you have to do it by January 15th. It's just around the corner. And if you do, you're going to get the kind of savings and coverage that Shannon is talking about. Shannon, thanks so much for being with us today. Really appreciate it.
I appreciate you so much for having us. We really encourage consumers to go to HealthCare.gov, or they can call the HealthCare.gov call center at 1-800-318-2596. Representatives are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and can communicate in over 200 languages.
Oh, amazing. That's fabulous. We've been talking with Shannon Hills. She is the regional administrator at the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services in Dallas, Texas. Thanks so much again for being with us, Shannon, and we'll encourage everybody to enroll before January 15th.
Thank you so much for having us.
Wonderful. Good. And remember, everybody, as we say at the end of every show, go to health. Take care. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for tuning in this week to Go to Health Media. Be sure to join Jonathan Marks and another health expert next time. You can also catch the program on your favorite podcast platform. Until our next show, be sure to visit us on the web at gotohealthmedia.com and elevate your life.